Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AnimateStudio review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called AnimateStudio. So this is an AnimateStudio review. Right now we are on a sales page where it says build spectacular videos like a TV studio and grab attention your big viewers. Cutting edge in just a few minutes. Turn sample or simple videos into mesmerizing, attention grabbing, stunning new professional animations to create amazing video like a TV studio that sells instantly with no special skills, tools or budget. Create an unlimited animation video like a TV studio for your websites, ads, social media and more. Use and sell unlimited custom studio animations to your big clients. So it looks like this is an offer in which you will be getting some animated video templates. You can customize the videos as per your business needs and you can sell them or use for your own promotional marketing materials. It is 100% editable in PowerPoint. Professional studio animations maker. No limitations. It's free. Included video images and background music. No special skills. Unlimited access. No monthly fees. Step-by-step tutorial videos. Resale rights included. Okay, now you will find some sample videos below here. This is how it works. You download the sample, open them in PowerPoint, change the name, change the website, whatever you know, change, and then export into the MP4 format, and those videos will be ready to go. So come on the sales page, play these videos and check out all these samples before you buy. You will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So go below my video in the description, click on the link which says grab AnimateStudio copy here. That link will take you to the sales page. Come and play these videos, sample videos, and check them out yourself. And that's it. So this is for people who are going to use these videos to go and sell this to clients. Okay, or maybe you are a business yourself. You can run some social media ads such as Facebook ads using these short videos, 10 seconds video, because Facebook allows you to run video ads for a 10-second short video. Okay, so if you are you want to grab some attention of the people, you can run some Facebook video ads about your business. Or if you're if you are a freelancer, then you can customize these videos and sell it to your clients. Okay, now let's see here the price. The price is going to be, I guess, $20 something, 23.17. Okay, and if you so if you do not get it with the resale rights, it's only 21.19, but if you get this with the resale rights, then it will be 23.17. and then there are some upgrades as well. I'll show you those upgrades too in a moment. Right, so these are the FAQs you need to know. What is this AnimateStudio? So it's an eye-catching studio promo style blah and blah. How do I download? You will get the login access of the members area from where you can download these videos and templates. How do I edit? You need to use PowerPoint to edit the template. Simply open your PowerPoint blah and blah. It works best with PowerPoint 2019 or /365. So if you want to work best with export video, you need to at least have these one of these, but it does work with others as well, but so. Okay, so are there any more offers or upsells? Yes. And refund policy, they're saying they can, if they cannot fix the problem. Okay, let's make this very clear. There's no refund. If you want to buy this, then go and buy this. Don't confuse yourself. There's no refund. If you're gonna buy, only buy if you need it. Otherwise, don't buy. That's it. So what is my license? You get to choose one of the two, and I have told you for reseller license you have to pay them 23 point something. What you can do, you can create unlimited videos combining all these templates for your clients or for yourself. What you cannot do is all of these. Okay, can't be used for your client's project. That's something new. Okay, so let me see. You can't really use for your client project. So let's take our words back. You cannot use for your client's project. You can only use on your video project. So maybe you can use in your own YouTube videos, or you can use in your own business marketing material, and you can't do any of that. Okay, so I think we're clear. You can't do freelancing with this. You can't use you can't use these videos to create videos for your clients to sell them. I think that's what is happening, right? And oh, sorry, I'm not taking my words back. This is the normal license. Okay, this is the $21 thingy. But here, if you get the reseller license, in this you can sell this to your clients, right? So if you pay them 23 point something, you will get the reseller license. and then you can sell this to your clients and everything. The only things you can't do in reseller license is that you can't sell this to Onvaria plus JVs or ClickBank, and you can't distribute for free. Okay, so technically if you're a freelancer, you can go and use it for your clients as long you buy the reseller license from them. Are we clear by now? Yes, we are. Cool, sales page is done. Let's go ahead and talk about the OTOs here. Okay, this is what you will be getting in front end in $23. Then this is the OTO 1, which is the upgrade pro version. This is what you will be getting. OTO 2 is right here for $47. OTO 3 is right here. Then that's all. So OTO 3 is this, OTO 2 is this, OTO 1 is this, front end is this. Go and buy. There are only 3 OTOs, pick and choose. Okay, and for those people who are newbies, well, it's not for you people because you are not a freelancer, so you have no customer who's going to come and buy this from you or buy your video editing skills. And you might not be a business yourself who will be running Facebook ads to get some clients from social media. I mean, you're a newbie, okay? You're not making any money online, right? So in that case, you have to start learning what to do online first, because right now, if you see, I'm making a YouTube video, right? If you want to make money online, you need to start with the basics. The basics is that you don't have to go fancy. Fancy means in my review, I am simply just showing you my laptop screen and using my voice. There's no animation going on here. There's no fancy things going on. Nothing is popping on the top left, top right corners in my videos, right? It's simple. My laptop screen you're watching and you're listening to me, that's my basic video. But this video which you're watching has made me money already without having to do anything in the sense that I have to record the video, but I don't have to go and do any fancy editing. Okay, so for example, if you go below my YouTube video in the description, the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within a month, because once your YouTube channel is monetized, then you can make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you have seen those ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, and for that to happen, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, and this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get them in 2 weeks only, and then your YouTube channel will be monetized, right? So if you want to work manually on YouTube, you want to make these reviews, you want to do affiliate marketing, grow your email list, stuff like that, then go and get Traffic Jarvis if you want to replicate exactly what I'm doing right now. But if you want to make money without doing anything on autopilot with Forex trading, then you can check out the first method. Now, Forex trading is like this here, you see on the screen. We will be having to set up this virtual machine. On the virtual machine, we will be setting up a currency graph. Then we will be using and setting up a software on this graph. Then I will be giving the settings to that software, and that software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically. Okay, concept is quite simple. You buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high, and that's how you make your profits. Okay, now you will not understand anything of this because it needs a lot of knowledge and expertise. But if you click on the first link here, come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate, where you will find 2 videos. Okay, option 1, option 2. Watch those 2 videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, right? You need to know what is going on here. So go and watch those 2 videos. Do not contact me before watching those 2 videos. That's the disclaimer. Because this syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you don't have to do anything. I will be managing your account. I will be setting up the virtual machine for you. I will be installing the graph. I will be setting up the software. I will do everything, and you will keep 60% profits weekly, and I will keep 40% profits weekly, which means that we only make money if the system works. Okay, so you don't have to pay me like $10,000 for this system. I only charge you 40% when we make profits. So it's a win-win for both of us, right? So go and check out the 2 videos which I'm talking about on this page. After you have seen those videos, if you have any questions, you will be able to contact me on Skype, or you want to get started, then contact me on Skype after watching those 2 videos till the end. If you don't watch those 2 videos till the end and you contact me, I'll block you. So AnimateStudio is a good offer for people who are freelancers or business owners, or they want to use them, these templates into your personal videos projects. Then go and buy AnimateStudio. You will find the link below, and check out the OTOs as well. But if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then check out these 2 links here. The first link, this syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly on automation without you having to lift your finger. And if you want to make money on YouTube just like me manually, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out if you want to make money without selling anything. for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.